Hi, today I decided to modify my DJI Spark controller because I want to disable the internal buzzer. Sometimes I find that annoying especially when you are using the return to home button. So for this I'm going to use capacitive button, and here I have 3 of them, and I configure it to work as a toggle button. So when you turn on the power, his default is on, and then if you touch it, it goes off. So let's see. So after you remove the cover, here is the buzzer, and those are the connection points. Yeah, looks good. And if we remove this resistor with 0 on it, yeah, this will stop the sound. Okay, so after we prepare the board, looks like this, yeah. And the idea is to fix it somewhere here. Yeah, something like that. And I will use some double tape adhesive. And I also measured, this is a ground point, so we can make this connection from here to here. The out is going to be connected to this point. Yeah, this point. And the plus will be connected here, VCC. Also, let me check. I think, yeah, we can connect this one, goes here. Yeah, so the out pin will be connected from here to here. Let's make a volume check. Okay. That's the sensitive contact. It starts with always on, so to deactivate the buzzer you will need to touch this button once. So if I turn it off and if I turn on the remote, now the sound is default to on. You can hear it, and now there is no sound. Next time when I turn it on, it will be on. Okay, so now after we have this, I'm going to place the sensitive touch button in this area. I think that's a good area for this button. So when I will want to turn off the sound, I will just touch this area once. Yeah, let's give it a try. First I'll use a normal wire, and if that doesn't give good results, I'll use a shielded wire. Now I remove this capacitor. Here on the PCB it was the capacitor which increase or decrease the sensitivity of the circuit. And now it works fine. And here's the result. Default sound is on. And I touch it here.